This video will show you how to install the Cosco Scenera NEXT rear facing using the UAS. First, you need to make sure that your UAS strap is in the correct belt path. So the rear facing belt path is this one in the front of the seat, and it's indicated with arrows on the sticker. You want to make sure that your UAS strap is not twisted and that the hooks are facing this way because they're going to attach onto the UAS bar in your seat belt in this direction. I like to think of it as a stapler. When you lift up your seat cover, you also want to see that the UAS strap is in front of your crotch buckle. This seat has 3 crotch buckle positions. Only the first and second position can be used in rear facing mode. I've got it in the second position, and I can see that my UAS strap is in front. The recline for this seat is indicated by this line on the side of the shell. When your child is unable to sit unassisted, you need to make sure that this line is parallel with the ground when you're parked on a flat surface. For this specific seat, you may also install it more upright when your child can sit unassisted, and you'll find that information in your manual. Do make sure whenever you're working with a seat that you double check in the manual how to set your seat up in terms of its recline, because every seat is different. So I'm going to place the seat on the vehicle seat, and I'm just going to try and get the right angle while it's sitting there, making sure it's parallel with the ground. And then I want to try and hold the seat in that correct position as I get up behind it, because I'm going to attach the UAS to the anchor bars in my vehicle. So it's still facing the right way, it's not twisted, and I'm going to try and hear it, I want to hear it click onto the bars. One side, and the other side. So now, to tighten up the UAS strap, always pull from the inside of your seat and pull back your cover. You can see what you're doing, and you can also make sure that your strap is not twisted at all. So I'm using my hips up here to put pressure on the back of the seat and push it down into my vehicle seat, and I'm pushing a bit with this hand too, and then I'm pulling up on the strap to tighten it. And I'm pushing with my hips, and I'm pulling up on the strap. And once you don't have any slack left, you want to check to make sure you have a good install. So you come to the belt path here, and you're going to check for movement using your non-dominant hand, giving the seat the pressure of a firm handshake. So just like that, pulling side to side. There's no movement. It can have up to 1 inch of movement side to side to be a secure install. And then you're also checking that your recline is correct, so that this line is parallel with the ground when you're parked on a flat surface. Then you can put your cover back, and you're good to go.